Now question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given as in the given figure, angle BAC equal to 32 degree, angle BCE equal to 161 degree. Find angle ACB, angle ABC and angle DBC. Okay, and the figure is given as this is your given figure here. D, B, A, C and this is E. This angle 161 degree and this is 32 degree and okay, A, B, C, E, D. Okay, now you have to find the angle ACB, okay, and angle ABC and angle DBC. At first, in this figure, you know this angle plus this angle equal to this angle. Okay, this plus this equal to this. Okay, because angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle BCE, because angle ABC and angle BAC are the opposite interior angles of exterior angle BCE. Okay, so you know that two opposite interior angles equals to exterior angles. Okay, two opposite interior angles of a triangle is equal to one exterior angle. So solution from figure. Okay, from figure, angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle BCE. Okay, since angle ABC and angle BAC are the opposite interior angles of exterior angle BCE. Okay, now angle ABC plus BSC 32 degree equal to 161 degree, or angle ABC equal to 161 degree minus 32 degree. ABC equal to, then it becomes 11 minus 2 9, 5 minus 3 2. Okay, no, okay, 11 minus 2 9 and 5 minus 3 2, 29 degree. Okay, angle ABC 29 degree, and now you have to find angle ABC. ABC becomes 29 degree. Now ACB this angle. Now angle ACB plus angle BCE equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ACB equal to 180 degree, and BCE means 161 degree. Equal to 10 minus 1 9 and 7 minus 6 1, 19 degree. Okay, therefore angle SCB becomes 19 degree. Now you have to find angle DBC. This angle becomes 29 degree. Okay, 29 degree, and angle DBC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree. Therefore again angle ABC plus angle DBC equal to 180 degree, because angle ABC and angle DBC form linear pair. Okay, linear pair of angles. Therefore angle ABC and DBC equal to 180 degree. Now angle ABC 29 degree, then 29 degree plus angle DBC equal to 180 degree. Okay, here angle ABC 29 degree and angle DBC equal to 29 degree plus angle DBC equal to 180 degree. Therefore now angle DBC equal to 180 degree minus 29 degree. Okay, and here 10 minus 9 1, 10 minus 9 1, 7 minus 2 5, and here 1, 151 degree. Thus angle ACB equal to 19 degree, angle ABC equal to 29 degree, and angle DBC equal to 51 degree. Okay, angle ACB, angle ABC, and angle DBC. Angle ACB 90 degree, angle ABC 29 degree, and angle DBC 151 degree. This is your required answer. Okay.
degree, 129 degree, and 51 degree.
Oh, this becomes 129 degree. Then this 129, because 11 minus 2 9, 5 minus 3 2, and this remaining 1, then it becomes 129 degree. Okay, then DBC, DBC equal to 129 degree, 100, then ABC equal to 129 degree, then angle DBC becomes 180 degree minus 129 degree, then it comes 10 minus 9 1, 7 minus 2 5, 51 degree, 51 degree. Okay, so angle DBC equal to 51 degree.
Angle SAB 19 degree, angle ABC 129 degree, and angle DBC
51 degree. Okay, now question number 3 is completed. Now look question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. In the given figure, angle TPQ equal to 111 degree and angle TRS equal to 164 degree. Find the value of x. Okay, and your figure is this angle x, point U, P 111 degree, T Q R, like this, S 164 degree, 164 degree, X Q R S. Okay, now you have to find the value of x. In this figure, at first you have to find value of QPR. Okay, QPR and angle QRP. Okay, solution. In given figure, angle QPR plus angle TPQ equal to 180 degree. Okay, because these two angles makes linear pair of angles. Okay, angle QPR and angle TPQ makes linear pair of angles. Therefore, angle QPR plus angle TPQ equal to 180 degree. Now, angle QPR plus 111 degree equal to 180 degree, or angle QPR equal to 180 degree minus 111 degree equal to 10 minus 1 9, 7 minus 1 6, 10 minus 1 9, 7 minus 1 6, 69 degree. Okay, therefore QPR 69 degree, and now you have to find the value of QRP. Again angle QRP plus angle PRS equal to 180 degree, or QRP is not given and PRS is given 164 degree equal to 180 degree, or angle QRP equal to 180 degree minus 164 degree equal to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1, 16 degree. Okay, this angle becomes 16 degree. Now you look here, this plus this equal to this, because angle QPR and angle QRP are the opposite interior angles of exterior angle RQU, okay, or equal to X. Now angle QPR plus angle QRP equal to angle RQU, or angle QPR means 69 degree, QRP means 16 degree equal to X, or X equal to 69 degree plus 16 degree equal to 9 6 15 6 1 7 1 8, 85 degree. Okay, so X equal to 85 degree. This is your required answer. Now you have to match this answer, it is true or not. It is true, X equal to 85 degree. Okay, now last question, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. In triangle ABC, angle BAC equal to 34 degree, angle ABC equal to 90 degree, and BC is produced to D, find angle ACD. Okay, figure is given as CD, B, this angle 90 degree and this 34 degree. Okay, LCD, and here you have to find the value of angle LCD. It is very simple question. Okay, very easy. This question is very easy. In this figure, you know angle BAC and angle ABC are the opposite interior angles of angle ACD. Okay, because this CD portion is produced in BC. Okay, solution: angle in given figure, angle ABC and angle BAC are the opposite interior angles of exterior angle ACD. Exterior angle ACD. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. Now you have to put these values. Angle ABC equal to 34 degree. Angle ABC angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Angle BAC equal to 34 degree, and angle ACD equal to ACD. Now ACD equal to 493 12 124 degree. Okay, here angle SCD becomes 124 degree. Now you have to match this answer.
Okay, angle SCD equal to
124 degree. Now exercise 6.2 is completed. Okay, exercise 6.2 is completed. Now in next videos we will solve exercise 6.3 questions. Okay, in next videos we will solve questions of exercise 6.3. Okay, bye.